Namaskar Gulkulians, class 12, subject economics. Today I will teach you a new unit, that is income, employment and output, and chapter 7 we will start, that is aggregate demand, aggregate supply and related concepts. Aggregate demand, aggregate supply and related concepts. Firstly, I will clear you the name of the chapter. Aggregate demand. Aggregate demand means demand of whole economy, all the sectors in an economy. But keep it in your mind, this demand is planned, not the actual. ये जो demand है वो क्या होगी? Planned होगी, वो actual demand नहीं होगी. The same is with the aggregate supply. Aggregate supply means the flow of goods and services. But today we shall do the topic, that is concept of AD. We shall discuss AD. AD means aggregate demand. AD means aggregate demand. But this demand is planned demand. I already told you earlier कि ये demand जो है वो कौन सी count होगी? That is planned, not the actual. तो I told you this thing कि जो डिमांड है दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन टू लेवल्स. आप भी जब डिमांड करते हो तो आप दो चीज़ों को ध्यान में रखते हो. फर्स्ट योर इनकम, आपकी इनकम कितनी है. व्हेन वी विल शो आर रिलेशन विद डिमांड विद द इनकम देन इट इज़ पॉजिटिव. तब ये रिलेशन क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव. जैसे जैसे इनकम बढ़ेगी वैसे वैसे आपकी डिमांड जो है वो क्या होगी? राइज. इफ़ वी शैल सी द प्राइस लेवल, जब हम प्राइस लेवल को देखते हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन, क्या होगा कि जैसे जैसे प्राइस बढ़ेगा डिमांड जो है वो क्या होगी? कम होगी. इट मीन्स इट्स स्लो डाउनवर्ड. ओके, तो जर्नल प्राइस लेवल एंड aggregate demand, there is a negative relation, slope downward. But income level and aggregate demand, the relation is positive. That's why its slope is upward. Okay beta. So aggregate demand, I am telling you, AD doesn't mean the demand of any particular good. It means demand of all goods and services. It often counted for the period of accounting year. AD can be measured, I already told you, reference to journal price level in the economy or reference to income level in the economy. I told you when it relates with the income, what? Aggregate demand, then relation is positive, slope upward. When demand is related with the journal price level, then slope is negative. Okay beta. Next is plus 2 level, we shall study the AD relation with income level. As well as income rises, AD level also rises. Definition, I already told you what is. It is total expenditure. It is sum total of expenditure that plan, the people plan. I already told you this is not actual. This is the plan expenditure on incur on the purchase of goods and services produced in the economy corresponding at a different level of income. I am telling you again, AD means aggregate demand. This is a planned demand. This is a planned demand by the people. कौन करता है इसे? People करते हैं. On where? Goods and services during an accounting year. Corresponding means हम इसमें किसको लेकर चलते हैं? The level of income. Income के level को लेकर जो है वो चलते हैं. Let us see. Let us do with the income level. See, I will make one schedule here. Y means income. Okay. Next, C means consumption. I means investment. AD. AD means aggregate demand. Income, I am taking 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. As well as the level of income rise, consumption also rise. जैसे जैसे इनकम का लेवल बढ़ता है हमारी कंजम्पशन भी क्या है बढ़ती है. इट विल ऑलवेज राइज. तो यू विल सी व्हेन इनकम इज ज़ीरो कंजम्पशन इज समथिंग दैट इज नोन एज सी बार. सी बार मीन्स ऑटोनॉमियस कंजम्पशन. इसे कांस्टेंट कंजम्पशन कहा जाता है. व्हेन योर इनकम लेवल इज़ ज़ीरो, आपकी इनकम ज़ीरो भी हो तो भी आपकी जो नेसेसिटी एक्सपेंसेस हैं वो कभी कम नहीं होते, कभी नहीं रुकते. लाइक फूड, क्लोथ, शेल्टर, नेसेसिटीज, दीज आर द बेसिक नीड्स आर लाइफ, दीज आर द सर्वाइवल्स. व्हेन इनकम इज़ ज़ीरो, जब आपकी इनकम ज़ीरो है तब भी ये खर्चे जो हैं वो आपके ज़रूर होंगे. फ्रॉम वेयर यू विल विड्रॉ फ्रॉम द पास्ट सेविंग्स. तो आपकी जो सेविंग्स हैं वो क्या हो जाती हैं वहाँ पर नेगेटिव हो जाती हैं. इन्वेस्टमेंट विल बी कांस्टेंट हेयर. क्यों? इनकम ज़ीरो है तब भी हमारी इन्वेस्टमेंट क्या होगी कांस्टेंट होगी. क्यों होगी? बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दिस इज प्लान नॉट द एक्चुअल. ये प्लान है, ये एक्चुअल नहीं है. ओके. एज वेल एज लेवल ऑफ इनकम राइजेस. इनकम का लेवल जिस हिसाब से बढ़ता है कंजम्पशन भी बढ़ती है. बट वी ऑलवेज कंसिडर दिस थिंग कि जिस लेवल से इनकम बढ़ती है कंजम्पशन जो है वो उससे कम लेवल से बढ़ती है. क्योंकि कोई भी हो, एनी वन इज देयर, वट ही विल डू सम इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और ही विल डू सम सेविंग ऑल्सो. ओके. तो दिस इज 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. I am taking AD. AD is equal to C plus I. Here is 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and this one is 60. Now I am making diagram of this. This is level of income. Level of income is 0, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100 and 120. Now what I will do? अब मैं क्या करूँगी? I will take AD. AD here. AD components are C plus I. So what I will do? Firstly I will show investment. 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. Firstly I will draw investment. That is investment. Constant, autonomous. See, when income is 0, consumption is 20. This one, income is 20, consumption 25. This one, then income 40, consumption 30. Income 40, consumption 30. Income 60, consumption 35. This one, so you will draw this one C. C means consumption curve. And AD is the sum total of C plus I. AD means aggregate demand. Aggregate demand is the sum total of C plus I plus G plus X minus M. But this is the actual. But we will take only C plus I because in our syllabus this is only C plus I. C means consumption expenditure and I means investment expenditure. Now I will draw. At 0 it is 30. Next 20 it is 35. Next 40 it is 40. What I will do? Draw a line. That is AD is equal to C plus I. Now I will see this thing कि as well as level of income rises. जैसे जैसे income का level बढ़ता है consumption also rises and AD also rises. Another name of AD is aggregate expenditure because it is the expenditure done by the peoples. This is a planned expenditure. So at a 40 this is equal. I will draw one more line, that is Y. What is the meaning of this line? there is a positive relationship between income and aggregate demand. I already told you, when it is compared with the journal price level, slope is downward, but when it is compared with the income level, slope is positive. So this is the equilibrium level where Y and AD is equal, that is 40. Okay, this is the equilibrium level where Y and AD is equal. तो firstly I will write the steps. मैं इसके steps कैसे लिखूंगी? First step, when income is 0, consumption is 20 due to survivals. किसकी वजह से होगी ये? Survivals की वजह से होगी. Secondly, as well as level of income rises, जैसे जैसे income का level बढ़ता है, consumption is also rises, aggregate expenditure is also rises. But income level is rises more than the level of consumption, because but the person will start or people will start saving. And third point, what is, when income level is 60, AD is 45. जब income का level कितना है? 60 है, तो AD क्या है? 45. It means people start saving of their income. I already told you about, जैसे जैसे income का level क्या होता है? बढ़ता है, people start savings. Okay beta, now I am telling about AD schedule and AD curve. Schedule means tabular presentation. If question is come in your exam, make AD schedule. This is the AD schedule. ये AD का क्या है? Schedule है. Schedule means tabular presentation. When AD curve will come, this is the AD curve. This is the diagrammatically presentation. How will you make the diagram? देखिए बेटा, this is the base. This is the base. Income is the base. At income, what you will do? Firstly, you will take investment. पहले income को base मानकर किसे लेंगे? Investment को लेंगे. Then base is the same income. You will take consumption. किसे लेंगे आप? Consumption को लेंगे. After this, income and AD. This one where income and AD is equal, that is the equilibrium level. This is the behavior of AD. This is the behavior of AD. Next topic I am telling you, that is component of AD. What do you mean by component of AD? AD means aggregate expenditure that is done in the economy by the people. Okay, this is the planned expenditure. I already told you this expenditure is the planned expenditure. This is not the actual expenditure. So I am telling you there are two type of economy. One is closed economy and second is open economy. Let us start about this one component of AD. Component of AD. AD के जो component हैं, there are 5 components. One is C plus I plus G, X and M. अगर X और M को combine कर लें, that is net exports. C means consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure, it means done by the consumers, households. This is consumption expenditure. This can also, you can say, private final consumption expenditure which is done by the consumers. Second is, next is investment expenditure. Investment expenditure is done by the producers. Investment expenditure is done by the producers. Okay, this is investment expenditure that is done by the producers. This is two sector economy. Two sector economy means two sectors are there, one household or second producer. Let us start. We shall discuss the three sector economy. In three sector economy, government will come, or what the government will do? Government will do both type of expenditure. Government will do both type of expenditure, consumption expenditure as well as consumption expenditure as well as what? investment expenditure. Okay, these are the component of aggregate demand. And last is X means export. Export means going outside from our country, हमारी country से बाहर जा रहा है. X, exit. M, this is import. We are purchasing from the rest of the world. We are doing business with the rest of the world. It means we are taking something. हम दूसरी country से कुछ purchase कर रहे हैं. It means that is import. So these are the components of aggregate demand. If economy is closed, it means no relation with the rest of the world. If economy is open, there is relation with the rest of the world. So I told you, this is in your book also, the component of AD is C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C means consumption expenditure, that is done by the consumers, and the second is investment expenditure, that is done by the producers. Third is G means government expenditure, including both consumption as well as investment expenditure, and last one is this is with the rest of the world. If an economy is open, अगर हमारी economy क्या है, open है, the trade will done with the rest of the world. When trade is going from our country to rest of the world, it means that is export. We are sending, or if we are taking from the rest of the world, this is known as import. I hope beta now you can understand easily the concept of AD. If you are facing any problem, you can take your problem on WhatsApp. Thank you beta. Thank you so much.